Welcome to our guide on using social networking platforms. Whether you're a newbie or looking to improve your skills, we've got you covered. Choosing the right platform is key. Consider your goals, target audience, and the type of content you want to share. Your profile is your online first impression. Use a clear photo, a catchy bio, and highlight your interests. Understanding privacy settings is crucial. Make sure you know who can see your posts and how to protect your personal information. Engagement is vital. Respond to comments, share valuable content, and participate in discussions to build relationships. When creating content, be authentic. Use eye-catching visuals, tell stories, and maintain a consistent voice. Networking etiquette matters. Do engage with others respectfully, but don't overshare personal information or spam. Utilize hashtags smartly. Research trending tags relevant to your content to maximize visibility. Track your success using analytic tools. These insights help you understand what's working and what needs adjustment. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to building meaningful connections online. Happy networking!